Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's in this video we will understand about the coenzyme Q10 for the infertility reverse. So you will more fertile and you can reproduce. So how is possible? Remember, one important thing you should need to understand for male and also for female, but we just concerning with the female because a lot more people which that in the complication about the infertility. So how it can be reversed due to the coenzyme Q10. So first of all, we will understand about the what is the coenzyme Q10. Then we will understand about the infertility. So let's understand about the coenzyme Q10. So the coenzyme Q10 is the coenzyme non-essential lipophilic are present in the mitochondrial electron transport chain, which that is the mobile protein as a mobile coenzyme basically, which that function to transport the electron in the electron transport chain in the mitochondria for providing the ATP. In this way, your electron efficiently move in the electron transport chain and not leak. So the leakage of the electron will lead to become a reactive oxygen species when bound with another oxygen molecule or other. So a nitrogen will lead to become a nitrogen reactive oxygen reactive oxygen species and reactive nitrogen species. So a lot more type of the free radical will damage your basically the whole body. So infertility mean is a difference. So we will understand all things. So in this basically this is the important thing is the inflammation, the oxidative stress, and the reactive oxygen species will damage. So a lot more things will be possible like the aging, and aging will lead to cause the infertility anyhow. But important thing you should need to understand the mitochondria are present in the sperm. So the sperm contain mitochondria, but the mitochondria is important for the mobility of the sperm for target to the egg during the intercourse. So in this way, basically the sperm will not move easily because the immotile sperm problem. I am not talking about the zero sperm count in the semen. So that is the natural process, and in this way they have no any cure if possible. So if the genetically, so in this way it is not possible to recover the infertility. But I am just understanding you the mobility of the sperm will not occur. So you can provide the coenzyme Q10 to your body as a supplementation will lead to increase the production of ATP in the mitochondria, spiral mitochondria in the sperm, which that provide the mobility to a target to the and approach to the egg. So in this way you can achieve the more energy production, ATP production in the sperm, and in this way the sperm will move and the thrust power will be increased in the sperm, and in this way the sperm will move toward the fallopian tube and ultimately the fertilization can be possible. This is the infertility reverse mechanism, and in this way it will improve the mobility of the sperm. So a lack of the coenzyme Q10 in the sperm, in the tail of the sperm and the spiral mitochondria not contain too much coenzyme Q10. So in this way what will be happen? In this way the energy production will be basically restrict, even the buffer the production of ATP. The buffering of the energy production, so in this way the buffering of the mobility of the sperm, and in this way it will be impossible. So anyhow, also the coenzyme Q10 when deficiency will lead to produce inflammation and reactive oxygen species and oxidative stress. In this way what will be happen? That process basically will damage the DNA of the sperm. So the sperm nuclei will damage due to the reactive oxygen species enhancement due to the coenzyme Q10 will lead to basically target to the DNA, and in this way the damaging process will occur, will lead to cause disability, and a lot more syndromes can be possible in the children if the fertilization will be possible. So remember about that thing. The coenzyme Q10 is best for your family, best for your new generation, and best for you also, because the coenzyme Q10 is important for the movement of the sperm, prevention of the oxidative stress, and in this way the epigenetic mutation prevention, and that basically if the possible that mutation can be possible, but healthy mutation can be possible. So in this way you can reverse the infertility and to become a fertile and more younger due to the coenzyme Q10. So the coenzyme Q10 is too much important in our mitochondria for production of ATP, the quick production of ATP from the mitochondria, and the ATP is a very important like coenzyme, the production of ATP as a heat production, and a lot more enzyme work due to the ATP. So the ATP also important for the synthesis of the new protein, expression of the new gene, and a lot more things. See in the next video for this, I hope you make sense about that, the infertility reverse due to the coenzyme Q10. So I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. See in the next video for this, Allah Hafiz.